Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript type challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you wanna learn and become a TypeScript pro. Easy exclude. Let's check this out. Implement the built-in exclude TU. Exclude from T those types that are assignable to U. For example, my exclude ABC A equals BC, so you are kicking out of the first union everything that is assignable to the second union. To distribute over a union. Distributing over a union, by the way, means to look at each part of the union step by step. So first A, then B, then C. To distribute over a union, you just write T extends unknown, which is always true because unknown is the ultimate supertype, so every type extends unknown. True or false. Test type test equals my exclude A, B, C, and we didn't do a union here, we wanna first kick out A. That's enough, so this should be true. It is true because T extends unknown. If we now return T, here we get just the entire union back. T extends now U, and if that is the case, we return never because we want to kick it out. If that is not the case, we're gonna keep T. So this should be now BC. Okay, that was easy and I'm gonna explain it in a second more. Let's first check the test cases. They all look good. Let's look at a solution. Don't know if that's English. Yeah, my exclude TU. T extends U, never T. That's interesting. I thought we have to distribute over the union. Let's check this out. Apparently we can immediately compare two unions. I'm gonna do T extends U. If yes, then T, otherwise never. This is A. That's exactly the opposite. Sorry about that. TypeScript distribution union. Here, distributive conditional types. When conditional types act on a generic type, they become distributive when given a union type. For example, take the following. Type extends any if we plug a union type into array. Now I get it. It is distributive as long as it's not wrapped in a data structure. So like this, it would not work. So let's say here, T extends, which also makes sense. My exclude. Okay, but let's get back to it. If we plug a union type into toArray, then the conditional type will be applied to each member of that union. Makes sense. What happens here is that toArray distributes on string number and maps over each member type of the union to what is effectively toArray string toArray number, which leaves us string array number array. Typically, distributivity is the desired behavior. To avoid that behavior, you can surround each side of the extends keyword with square brackets. Exactly, that's how you prevent distributivity. Alright, okay, let's walk through this again from the beginning. We get two union types, and the solution is just T extends U. If yes, then never, because we want to exclude it, and otherwise T. This works because this distributes over the union, so each part of the union is handled separately. So first checks, does A extend U, which it does, then never. Then does B extend U, which it doesn't, return B. Does C extend U, which it doesn't, return C, and so on. So this is how this works. Plus, returning never with a union gives you always just the union. Type, I'm gonna call it normal union, is A, B, C, and then we have type never union is normal union or never, which then is normal union. Never just gets cut out of a union. Alrighty. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.